Hey everyone, this is Fire TV Richie, and this is going to be the video called Getting Started with Terranium. First of all, you're going to be on your home page. If you're not there already, just click the home button from any app, doesn't matter. And then hold down the home button till you get to this screen and it says Apps. Click on Apps. And you're going to find Terranium. And it is going to look just like this. Whoops, sorry, right there. That's what Terranium is. It looks like a kind of a light blue in the background with a little TV in the middle. Terranium TV. So you're going to want to click there, and you're going to first thing you're going to want to do is update it. So just push to the right, click Update. It's going to update for a second. And this page is going to pop up. Just push down to the right until you get to install. And it shuts down on you. So you can just go back to it. It says cannot open app. That's fine. Just click OK. Pull out of it. And now it should be in your recent. If not, just do those steps again where you hold down the home button. Go back to it. If it's doing that, you can also, if it's not allowing you to get into it, you can go up to Settings, go down to Applications, and go down to Manage Installed Applications. Find Terranium. You can also get to Terranium this way. You can just hit Launch Application once you get to right there. But you're going to want to just do a force stop right now, and then go into it and see if it opens. Sometimes it has a little trouble loading. This page, just I would say click Don't Show Again unless you want to be a subscriber. I'm not sure if that's free to get rid of the ads or if you have to be a subscriber. I haven't ever clicked on that link. Go ahead and click OK to it and scroll all the way down to here. You can hit the back button or just scroll down. On this, just say Accept. There you go. And from there, you can just click on whatever you want to watch. This does require an MX player. You can pick whatever season you want to watch. And then you can click on, whenever you see it, 2X06 or 05, any of that kind of stuff. The 2, that is actually going to be the season number. And the 6 is the episode. So that would be Season 2, Episode 6, Season 2, Episode 7. You just click on it and you can click play. And what you're going to have come up here is a bunch of links. Pretty self-explanatory. There's a 1080. You just click on it. And I would suggest play without subtitles. And it says right here, MX Player not installed. So you can either install it from here, or you can go to the Aptoid store and install it. And I'll go ahead and show you how to do it from here. Never click on App Store. Click on Aptoid. That's the Aptoid App Store. So please don't get those mixed up. Never, ever, ever use the App Store on this device. Once you click on Aptoid, just click Always. And this isn't the most user-friendly, so what I have done is I've installed a mouse toggle. And to get the mouse toggle on, just double-click the play button, and you can see that mouse toggle popped up. And then you just click somewhere on MX Player, then click on Install with the mouse toggle. And this page pops up. To get the mouse toggle off, just press the play button and to the right or the left, doesn't matter which way. And then you can scroll down to the right to install. But you can also just go straight to the Aptoid store and just do a search for MX Player, and then you can install it just from the Aptoid store instead of having to go this route. And it will need it's called an MX Player Codex. So that'll be the next thing it's going to ask to install. And the reason I do not install these is because you need the latest version anyway. And just go ahead and hit open right here, and it's going to ask you to install the codecs. And you need to know how to do these updates, because you definitely don't want to send it to me, because I will charge, depending on what all I'm doing, I will charge. You'll have to send it to me in the mail, and I can do it for you, so just let me know if you need it to be done. But I've got a video here, very self-explanatory. If you're not very tech savvy, and you don't have to be very tech savvy if you watch the video and just follow along. So get the mouse toggle back on, which is the play button twice, and then click on the LMX player codecs, and then click on install. And again, to take the mouse toggle off, just push the play button to the left or the right or wherever, then scroll down and click install. And just click done. And then you can back out a few times or hit the home button or whatever you want to do. I'm backing out, thinking I might be able to get back to Terranium, which I can. So there's season 7, and just hit play. And it should play now. So I'm going to click on a 1080. Play without subtitles. And there you go. It is playing. You should be able to fast forward this. You can just hold the fast forward button down, and let's see, go about halfway. Let's see how it works, or how well it works. I'm sorry. Pretty good quality in Terranium. A lot of times it's better quality than Kodi, which is pretty good. To stop, just hit the reverse button or the back button. And ads will pop up. 2 of them usually pop up. You just click the back button out of those 2. And just keep clicking the back button until you're back to this section right here. On this page, if you want smaller thumbnails so that more stuff will pop up, you can. But before I show you that, also you can click on, let's see, trending, recently updated. You got all these options. Most popular, most played, kind of like inside of Kodi. So click on that, the 3 horizontal lines that looks just like your menu button on your remote. Click on it, and then you can go down. You can click on movies, and movies will populate in there, and you can check out all the movies. So it's a very neat application. But one thing I want to show you is how to change the thumbnails to be smaller. Just go down to settings. Excuse me. And my suggestion is to put it on the smallest, unless your TV's really far away from you. Just go down to media poster size, click on it, click on small, and there you go. And then I also try to do this, hide season thumbnails, makes it a little bit more user friendly. And then back out of it and go back into it. And look, it's a whole lot smaller. You can see a whole lot more on the screen. And when you click on something and you go to seasons, you don't have those huge thumbnails. So you can just click season 2. You don't need to see all the pictures on there. If there's 12 seasons, this is a whole lot more user friendly. So anyway, that is a wrap for this one. Oh, you can also add things to favorites. So if you want to add a show to favorites, I believe you just hold the select button down. Nope, you don't. Okay, from this screen, you want to add this to favorites, you just go up there and click on that star. And boom. So if you want to see them, what's in your favorites, just click on the star on this home page. And there you go. It's inside there. So now your favorite TV show or movies or whatever is going to be in there. That is a wrap for this video. And please like, share, comment, share on your social media. And if you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please subscribe.